Hi, this is Gary from landofcoins.com. Today I'm going to show you how to look up a value of a coin and not only know the value of the coin in today's dollars, but I'm also going to show you how you can go back to 1950s and see what the value of the coin was then. This way you kind of can guess or estimate the appreciation of the coins and also see what rare coins go up in value and which ones stay the same or don't move as much. So we're going to go to the computer and we're going to go to landofcoins.com, and I'm going to show you how you can check out the values of the coins in today's dollars, the value, and then what it was 60 years ago. And every decade you're going to see how the coins have appreciated in value. And some have done exceptionally well and some have done not so good, but you do need those coins to complete a collection depending on what you're looking at. So let's go to the computer and let's look at some values. On the home page of landofcoins.com, I'm going to show you how to look up price history values for rare coins. Now these values go back to 1958 and go up to today's values. So as you're on landofcoins.com homepage, you'll see on the navigation bar above price history guides. Just go ahead and click that. It'll bring you to the coin history value guides table, and you can select whatever coin you'd like to view the values of the coins, not only in today's values but what the price values were back in 60 years ago. You can look at every decade. So let's take, for example, quarters. I like standard Liberty quarters, so we'll look at that. And we do have descriptions of the coin. More importantly, the sizes of the coins. This can help to determine if coins are real or not, but give you an idea of the size of coins too when determining if you like them or not. Diameter, the weight, and the composition. And the edge, if it's reeded or not, or lettered, or coins have many different varieties. So here we go, 1916 Standing Liberty Quarter. The most famous Standing Liberty Quarter. And you can see that the values in 1958 for G4 grade condition was about $50. F12 was $80. MS60, $165. Of course, the books and the values back then they didn't describe every single grade because this grading system was not really established in 1950s, but these values were. So you can see as the decades went along, the price values of rare coins went up substantially, especially if it was a rare coin like the 1916 Standing Liberty Quarter. Some of the other coins in the series, we'll just go to the next one, 1917. Look at this. The Type 1, a lot less in value. Just like today, the rare coins are more expensive than typical, more common coins. $2 in 1958 for the 1917. Even though the pricing of the coin went up dramatically, now it's $60. That's a great increase in value. That's 30 times your money. The Standing Liberty Quarter went up too, but it's $6,000 now, not 60. And you can see it was 80 to begin with rather than 2. But still, worth a lot more than the common. But you can go through these coins, all these charts of any coin that you want, and you can see the values. Here's a nice one, the 1918S. Another key date coin in addition to the 1916. For Standing Liberty Quarters, you can see the values. MS60, 1958, a mint state coin in 1958, $315 retail. Now that same coin, 2015, is worth $19,500. And you can see many coins and how they've gone up in price over the decades. There's also something else I would like to show you, is let's go back to the price history guide table, the main page. Let's go to Liberty Nickels. So we'll go here to Liberty Nickels. I also want to show you there's some interesting things in these value charts that you can look at that very interesting. If you look at these values here, let's just take any coin. Then okay, 1886. No, not that one. That was the wrong one. Let's go to, okay, here you go. The 1889 Liberty Head nickel. If you look at the mint state coins, you can see a little jump here. So Liberty Head nickels, and you can see it's common across all of them, just about. But you can see in 1980, the Liberty Head nickel had a value of $85 if it was mint state. And in 1986, it doubled, and then in the year 2000, went back down again. So this might have something to do with Wall Street getting involved in coin collecting and putting them into almost like mutual funds, because they thought coins would be a great investment and that they could use those to back investment instruments on Wall Street. That's a whole nother chapter and video that I'm going to do, or that we will come across in the future. But just interesting to note there. You can see how values rise and fall quickly depending on market conditions and the expectations of investors. So that is not a mistake, that is true, and that's what happened. So interesting things when you're looking at these charts and the history of values of rare coins. Let's go to another one we can see. Half dollars. Let's go to half dollars. We'll just do one more here so you can get an idea of how things will drape bust. Let's go to the drape bust half dollar values. Now these have gone up substantially over the years. In part just the last 15 years, you can see how dramatically they've gone up. Great investments. If you were looking to invest in the year 2000, let's say, the 1796 15 stars half dollar, let's just take EF40 condition, $38,000. Now it's $121,000 value in just 15 years. That's a tremendous return on investment. And you can see all of them are doing very well. So drape bust half dollars look to be very promising. Just make sure they're not overvalued and look at it a little more. Here's some 1805 half dollar. Still a great coin, very reasonable priced. But you can see it's going up too. So it doubled, $215 in 2000 to $460 in 2015 on an F12 grade EF40. 3 times your money almost. And they seem to just be increasing. So, and that's a beautiful coin, by the way. The design, it's also a large coin, so it's very impressive, nice to look at. Great coin. Drape bust half dollar. You can look at them on the price history guides. And check out all the coins, all the way down to Lincolns. We even have Lincoln cents. If you collect pennies, you can see how the values go up with the grades. Here, 1911S, 1958, mint state was $12. It's a lot of money back then. Now, the 2015, it's worth $160 in mint state, or more, depending on the mint state grade that it is. F12, $3.58, now $40. But you can see since 2000 it's doubled. It's doubled. So a lot of action on the 1911S cent. Great coin, fun coin at an affordable price. And we have all of them. Most all the wheat cents are on here. You can just see how many you can research and look at and have fun looking at. All the different years and mint marks. So I hope this has been helpful. Please check out the price history guides. Have fun with it. Use it to analyze coins. It'll help with determining values through the auctions. of our coins. And thanks for using landofcoins.com. And if you could share this video, the easy way to share is just click the Facebook link on the side here, and you can share values of the coins. You can share pictures of the coins or even the auctions. Thanks for watching.